Hey everyone, welcome to Northern Aeronautical. In this video, we're going to be looking at the footage of Mercury TVC flight number 3. So the last time we uploaded a Mercury TVC flight was flight 2 of Mercury, and that was actually about 5 months ago. And since then, we have flown 6 times. So we have quite a bit of catching up to do on covering each launch. So flight 3, we got a new rocket, new TVC gimbal, and you can actually see that rocket up above me, mounted on my wall. And so in this video, we're just going to be covering flight number 3. So there's some room for improvement, and you'll see all that, but overall, pretty good success. Enjoy.